I remember I'm up this entire campaign, this entire project. We wouldn't be here if it weren't for them and their support and their belief in this project and each other about the potential relationship between Ajman University and Radisson as a brand to truly expose your university students in real life education, right? And of course, we want to Thank you so much, everyone. May we request Gofran and Nizar to stay on stage. Hoven Filomeno.
Thank you.
Let's also invite on stage Mazen from PBWA. Mazen, are you here? And of course, CMD, Lloyd and Josie.
Video.
Thank you very much.
Everyone together.
Congratulations, Beth Hoven.
The Oscar goes to the best dress.
Congratulations, Beth. Thanks.
Nino? Still studying in the university, he got the chance to work with big names like Nissan, Radisson Red, and Nikon. As a father, how did you feel? What was the support that you needed to give to him? And let me introduce the honestly, how it was.
Coming out of school. Also, it's been amazing working with fellows. Now we're combining our ideas together. It takes a lot of effort to be able to settle on one idea because each of us has their own way. But honestly, an amazing experience. I want to say thank you to my dad for getting me a camera 6 years ago, and thank you to my mother for believing that creative, and my brother for filming the application video for Nissan Kicks.
Heavy competition coming from your side, but I know that you guys are really doing really well. You will blast it. Your parents definitely will be so proud of you. I thank everyone. I wish everyone a great night, great weekend. Please drive safe. That's our way of saying thank you because, you know, we are all about the automobiles. I want to ask everyone to join me on stage for a big, amazing